Imagine hitting a target 20 kilometers away without missing once. For Ukrainian drone pilot mechs, that's now possible thanks to AI-assisted targeting. Without the additional guidance, we simply could not hit it. Absolutely no way, he says. Since Russia invaded Ukraine nearly 4 years ago, drone technology has exploded. Millions of drones are produced annually by both sides, but the front lines are saturated with signal jamming devices that often knock drones out mid-flight. That's where AI steps in, helping drones lock onto targets and continue autonomously, even when pilots lose contact. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support keeps us bringing these insights straight to you. These AI systems are not perfect, and performance depends heavily on battlefield conditions. But their memory banks, trained on vehicles, motorcycles, and more, allow drones to adjust in real time. Mex explains, if I set a pinpoint 2 to 3 kilometers away from a car during approach, it will already adjust to it. Ukraine emphasizes that while AI guides the drone, humans still make the final decision to strike. Meanwhile, ethical questions are rising worldwide as internationally binding rules on AI-augmented weapons barely exist. The bold takeaway: AI is not replacing soldiers. It's enhancing precision, survivability, and tactical advantage in a modern battlefield filled with interference and uncertainty. If you found this fascinating, check out the related video in the corner to see more on AI in modern warfare. Stay informed, stay curious, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more updates.